And now we go. You party hard for the same way. Even one better. And take your mates with you. Kick, slam, drive. Go hard, go home.
For getting you to get LPG conversion can be $299 with a government subsidy, and you can save thousands. Call EasyGas on 1300 EasyGas.
It's a little bit different from an air show in the fact that we try and spread ourselves around the track, giving everyone here at Albert Park the best possible view of what's going on in the air.
Yeah, Glenn and Munya have been giving Paul and I a really hard time about some of our moves in the commentary box over the last 4 days. What sort of moves are the roulette calling for us today?
Right now they're doing the rollback. There's 3 rollback initially, and then 5 and 6 follow suit closely after. And basically, yeah, get the smoke on and go to the crowd.
44 minutes and 10 seconds to go. Can you feel the tension in the air?
Absolutely. The guys are going to quickly land out of this and the display and try and get back to the track and try and see the action.
Well, luckily, on a Sunday afternoon in Melbourne, there shouldn't be too much